Oo nga, nakikita din namin dito sa likod.
Pablo nga, si Pablo.
Good evening, everyone. When I say we play, you say here. We play. We play. We play. Kami ang dilaw at ano? Ayun lang. Our next song is a song from our band. This is a song for you and you. Say, yeah. You just feel the vibe, you know the vibe. Can you feel it? Can you feel it all the way to the back and forth? Yeah, you close your eyes like this, man. Yeah. Yeah, wow. Real.
Regalos nila sa akin ng birthday ko, kaya Berries, thank you so much. And nung na-receive ko to, talaga na-feel ko, grabe, sumakses na talaga. Kasi ano na, parang solo artist na talaga, which I embrace kasi nga supported talaga, well supported talaga ako ng mga people around me, kaya I'm very thankful. Thank you, Kelly. Nakita ko na siya. Thank you, Kelly. I love you, man, so much. And of course, I want to acknowledge Make It Makati and Ayala Mos. Thank you so much for making this event possible. Kita ko yung mga tao sa likod talaga nag-enjoy. And I think everyone's having a blast tonight, right? Are you guys still having fun? Yes. So, bago ko tumungo sa aking next performance, gusto ko lang, okay lang mag-promote po saglit? Okay lang? Yeah. So, a lot of you naman, alam na I'm in a group, right? So, yes. Yeah, thank you at alam niyo yun. So, meron pa kaming mga upcoming shows outside the country. So, SB19 will be having a world tour and meron pa kaming Oceania and New Zealand leg. So, if you're interested to watch one of our shows, one of our stops, you can visit SB19 Official or Official SB19 and you can buy tickets kung saan man po kayo malapit sa mga... Kasi balita ko, may mga international fans na pumunta here. Meron ba? Meron? Magingay nga yung mga lumuwas pa ng ibang bansa to watch we play here. International fans, make some noise! Kasi, speaking of tour, kasi yung fans din, grabe yung tour. And of course, same with SB19 may tour. Pero alam niyo ba na yung next song ko, for my last song, itong song na to, na-tour ko na rin to. And I'm very thankful sa Warner family na hinayaan nila akong i-tour ang Room talaga. Sobrang memorable, sobrang happy yung experience, sobrang life-changing as a solo artist. I discovered a lot of things about myself because of this tour, and of course, I'm very happy and thank you. Sobrang mahal na mahal ako ng Warner family and mahal na mahal ko sila. Kaya naman, for my last song tonight, I'm very excited to perform this again, this song. So, are you guys ready? Parang hindi ready. Are you guys ready? Make some noise! If you feel sexy tonight, you can dance with me. Okay? So, kung kanina ay nagbalad ako, ngayon naman, try natin painitin yung gabi. Are you guys ready? Warner family, are you ready? So my last song, this is Room.
Everybody give it up for your favorite Warner artist! Ganito for the sake of old times, sabay-sabay tayo lahat tatalon! Kaya ba yan ang triangle? Parang ayaw nyo Ayaw nyo na tumalon! Hoy! One last time for Warner Philippines! We play here! But if it's raining in